Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency as well. And coming with running boards down below, coming with a brand new look inside and out, looking very sleek, but let's take a look inside. And first looking in the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, providing you great entrance to the rear seat with seating for three comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then you do also have two cup holders in the middle with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features, your fuel economy, your comm screen, and then back to the speedometer. And then on the left, well, you can also go into some other controls. It'll pop up truck info, towing information, and vehicle maintenance, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Can all be accessed there. And then on the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls, as well as your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom of that. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as your driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, hazards and traction control shut off. Then moving down from your screen you have your media controls and then your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, your trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential. And then you have your drive mode selector here for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow, haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then on the right you have a 12-volt power outlet, as well as a USB and USB-C, and this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And then down here you have another USB, USB-C, and 12-volt, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at the column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then onto your center console area, where you have two cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that you actually have another lockable compartment for even more storage capacity, so that's always nice too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.